My name is Michael Miller, 42 years old, local business owner, married. I have a 4-year-old daughter who attends Charleston Development Academy here in Charleston. Interested in education and got involved first with children in 1994-95, volunteering and mentoring at 2 of the elementary schools in town. Then became an assistant soccer coach, volunteer soccer coach at Burke High School. And that really gave me an introduction into students and some of the issues that are facing the students every day with teachers and schools, parents, and just wanted to get involved more and more. I've been extremely blessed in my life. I didn't get to pick who my parents are going to be, so I didn't get to pick what neighborhood I lived in or what schools I attended. But my parents saw enough and knew enough through their upbringing to start a family. We lived in Goose Creek. My parents were able to afford for me to go to private school. I graduated from Goose Creek High School. From there, went on to Howard University, played soccer at Howard. So I've had a really good life. And I've been sheltered for a large part of my life from a lot of the poverty and broken homes that we see in our society, and being exposed to a lot of different things at a young age. And then as an adult, getting engaged in schools, students, through mentoring, volunteering. It's really opened my eyes to the needs of the students and recognizing that some of our students are dealing with issues I've never had to deal with, even as an adult. But yet they still come to school, they still want to learn. There are some concerns and issues that they have to deal with, obviously, but those concerns and issues are beyond their fault. Again, these are children. And I want to make sure that someone speaks for the children, to the children, on behalf of children, because our students, once they get educated, there's nothing they can't do.